नमस्कार. मी सेजल विनोद किनगे लेवा सखे घे भरारी या कार्यक्रमाच्या संस्कार संस्कृती या कार्यक्रमात दुसऱ्या राऊंडमध्ये माझे भाषण देत आहे. मी जळगाववरून आहे आणि मी 13 वर्षाची आहे. आज मी सुनीता विल्यम्स यांच्याबद्दल बोलणार आहे इंग्लिशमध्ये. Don't get bogged down by the notion of limits. They aren't any. Said by Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is an American astronaut of Indian heritage who set records on her 2 flights to International Space Station. Her father is an Indian-American neuroanatomist named Deepak Pandya, and her mother is Poni Pandya. Sunita is the youngest of the 3 siblings. She is the second astronaut of Indian heritage to go into NASA after Kalpana Chawla. Sunita is also a former US Navy officer. She is selected as an astronaut by NASA. She spent 322 days in space on 2 missions and logged more than 2,770 flight hours. She first became a naval test pilot and flew over 30 different aircrafts. Sunita also ranked 6th in the US endurance list. On April 16, 2007, she made another world record by becoming the first person to run a marathon in space. She was awarded by the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Vishwa Prasiddha Award by the World Gujarati Society. Sunita Williams is also featured in the new documentary film The Mars Generation, which looks at a new generation of teenagers who are preparing to go to Mars in this century. On her path to become an astronaut, it was a bit of happenstance, a lot of good luck, and a lot of perseverance. Manmohan Singh, who was the Prime Minister of India at that time, hailed Sunita to be an inspiration to all those women whose dreams have no limit. I think she is really inspiring, for she achieves her dreams. She follows her heart. Sunita believes in making the most out of the opportunities. She had run a marathon in space. She wanted to participate. This shows her will to mold the situation as per her wishes. Sunita Williams is inspiring because she has chosen such an offbeat career in which there are very few Indian women. Sunita is a worthy role model for all the young girls of the whole country, not only the country but the whole world, in science and technology. Sunita once said, the helicopter or the spacecraft or the space suit didn't know if I was a girl or a guy. My gender didn't matter. All that mattered was that I knew how to control that thing, and I did. Thank you.